जॉब चाहिए तो ध्यान से सुनना.
Hello, I'm Junaid, and you're listening to episode 1 of How I Made It, a podcast by DSC Kit about the people from the Kit community making it big in the tech industry. So today I have with me my co-host Priyansi. Priyansi, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, and especially because it's our first episode and I'm interviewing someone from my hometown today. Does it get any better than that? Today, we have a very interesting person joining us, Nidhi Kumar. Nidhi is from the CSC batch of 2021. She has done two internships before interviewing and finally getting an amazing offer from Texas Instruments. And as you guys will soon get to know, DSA and CP isn't how she got that offer. So let's find out how she made it. Thank you so much for doing this with DSC Kit. And we should start with a little bit more about you. Like, how was life before college? What are you up to these days? Maybe give a little introduction to our listeners.
Okay, so hey guys, I'm Nidhi. I'm from Kolkata. I'm currently working with Texas Instruments, and I was supposed to be in Bangalore right now, but thanks to COVID, here I am at home developing codes and working with applications in pajamas, which is not that bad to be honest. So yeah, I always wanted to go to Bangalore and fulfill all my wanderlust desires, but this is good too, living in comfort zone. So,
Mhm.
life before college, it is like I have lived two lives before college. One was till class 10th, and one was in 11th and 12th. So, 11th, 12th, as we all know, it was a disaster for most of us. Very
Yeah.
stressful. Never want to live it again. But yeah, till class 10, it was pretty good, pretty chill. We
Mhm.
didn't have to, worry about so many things and stuff. But yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
So
interesting.
I guess we talked about like 11th and 12th. So naturally, my first question is, Didi, like, what was your first year like at KIT? So what were your interests back then? What did you do? Like, did you have any idea of like kya banna hai life mein and all that?
Of course, yes. Yes, first year में obviously we all knew कि we had to you know turn out to be software engineers in the end. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we didn't have that much clarity. First year was all like everything was really overwhelming. Coming out of our houses for the first time, everything new changes, and like we just had 4 years and we had to do so many things. So like every other student, I was also enthusiastic about कि कहाँ पे जॉब लगेगी, अच्छी जॉब लगेगी कि नहीं, कि I don't, nobody wants to be in the all those small mass recruiter companies. Everyone wants
Mm-hmm.
to end up getting a good package job.
Yeah.
So सब लग गए थे उसमें, and I also spoke to a lot of seniors, like everyone does. So they also gave me advices that somewhere like अरे कोई चाप नहीं है, सबका हो जाता है, तुम्हारा भी हो जाएगा. And somewhere like बहुत करना पड़ेगा, study DSA, do that, do this, get
Mm-hmm.
certificates and all that stuff. And then somewhere like join societies and participate in everything. And but I was not that much into cultural events before coming to college. So after a lot of discussion with family, friends, I ended up joining the this debate society.
Mm-hmm.
वो भी सोच के कि हाँ ये this will help me in GDs, which actually didn't. I
Okay.
have never ever had a GD for job purpose.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so that was it. Then first year में I was also running behind grades because everyone
Okay.
is like 9 CGPA matters, 9 CGPA matters, but actually it doesn't. Nobody's ever gonna ask you your grades after you get a job, apart from your kids, of course. They might ask you.
Obviously,
Yeah. Yeah.
obviously.
Yeah, so first year, I had, you know, and in the end, I ended up running behind grades, doing the debate society thing, and making few projects. small projects, but yeah, it did
So
matter.
like, were they web-based projects or Android apps? So like, what kind of projects were they?
Initially, it was web applications,
Mm-hmm.
but gradually it turned out, it was later it was turned into ML embedded web based
Okay.
applications. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's interesting. Yeah.
That was very eventful, like first year, like better
Yeah.
than like what most of people have had. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
I have to ask, like, how like your programming journey began, like from like straight from school, or you wrote your first line of code during college, and everything like in between.
Yeah, first line of code happened in class 9, those hello world programs. So yeah, so it started in class 9, but it was very basic level. The main coding started in class 11th, and I have no shame to admit that I had struggled a lot with coding in class 11th. There was a
Mm-hmm.
point of time in my life when I was actually memorizing all those long lines of codes, which is a very
Wow.
bad thing for developers.
That must
But
be
then
painful.
yeah, that was
Yeah.
actually painful. That was a nightmare.
Yeah. Yeah.
So then I ended up having a very good tutor.
Mm-hmm.
So he sat with me a lot, like long hours, and then he made me, fall in love with coding. And then I transferred all those lectures to my friends who were facing the same situation in college. So yeah, so journey started in class 9, and here I am still learning. I still don't know how to code properly,
No one does.
and I don't
No
Yeah.
know
one
when
does.
does actually.
No,
Yeah,
no, it's like
but yeah,
it's
when you
always a
look back,
process. Yeah.
yeah,
Yes. Okay, I'm really interested. Like, where is this like tutor from? Like, is it because I mentioned in the beginning, like we're from the same hometown? Was it the same hometown,
no,
or
no,
did he
no.
like
He was in Kolkata. His name is Praveen sir. He was awesome. Yeah.
shout out to Praveen sir? Like,
Yeah.
okay,
So, Didi, you interned at two companies, initially at High Radius for 3 months and then as a summer intern at Quinway for 8 months as a development intern. Can you like tell us a bit about what kind of role and responsibilities you had there and what you kind of learned working there?
Yeah, so HRC was a summer internship,
Mm-hmm.
and I still remember the application process was itself very exciting process. We had to record ourselves saying who are we, and that is the most challenging task. I don't know why, living 20 years of life and not knowing who you are actually. And then after countless numbers of records, it was finally there. Then I got into HRC, had exposure the um, to the real life work environment for the first time. So got an opportunity to learn a lot there actually. So I learned, there was this life hack I learned there, that nobody's gonna spoon feed you anymore. It's like they just give you this problem statement,
Mm-hmm.
like a business value, like they have a problem in their business, and then you have to solve it somehow. Be it any tech stack, be it or not. You can't say I don't know this, I don't know React, so I can't develop this. You have to know. It's like we are in the IT world. Every day new thing comes up, and you have to just upgrade yourself with it. So that's one thing I learned in HRC.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so there I was working on React and Java.
Okay.
Then after working for 2-3 months, Quinbe happened.
Mm-hmm.
Then like the COVID had just began that time. So almost all the companies were working from home, but somehow Quinbe decides to, okay, let's call them amidst COVID. Like,
Oh, wow.
okay, you want to quarantine, you have to quarantine in office only. So we quarantined in office. We went to Bangalore, of course. Then we were given trainings, and there I worked on Spring Boot and Angular.
Okay.
Yeah, and then few parts for NLP.
Mm-hmm.
And then somehow Texas happened, and in Texas, we learned. I work on Spring Boot from Quinbay and React from HRC. So that's one thing. You learn some things from your previous experience. So HRC and Quinbay helped me a lot in Texas.
Okay. I actually want to point something out which you mentioned in the beginning is having a growth mindset, because we're always learning, new tools are always coming out, but people have to get used to that.
Yeah.
It kind
Every year, pressure replaces you. They come up with new skills, and you're like, okay, we don't need you, so you have to upgrade yourself.
Even when people are in third year, they mention ab kya hi hoga humse, obviously hoga, just go and learn out more. I like that point of yours. Okay.
Yeah.
I want also what you mentioned, the NLP project. What was that NLP project? I'd love to know more about that.
Okay, so we had so Quinbay has a part called Engati. So they develop chatbots, like automated chatbots.
Okay.
So you just have to put the designs, what you want to say and what you want to get as response. So yeah, I was a part of that team. So yeah, I worked with NLP on that.
Nice, like that. Okay.
Chatbots, basically chatbots.
Yeah. Okay.
I guess that's
And
the
how-
most predominant
Yeah.
application for NLP right now in the business world actually. Other than
Mhm.
research people are doing really great things, but business people are mostly interested in replacing customer service with chatbots and all. Continue, Prince. I'm
Totally.
sorry.
Oh, right. I just wanted to ask, how did you get these internships, and did you apply to any more outside that?
Yeah, it was mostly they help from TNP. They provide you ample of opportunities, but yeah, they can't provide you the skills, right?
Yeah.
So you have to showcase your skill. They'll give you the opportunity. Just grab it. Nothing else. And yeah, these internships were from TNP. I got other offers from outside of campus. So yeah.
Okay.
I actually want to know more about the application or process of Quinbay, because you mentioned, the HRC one was quite cool with the video and everything. What was the Quinbay application process like?
Okay, so HRC gives a lot of they ask a lot of things, like their documentation stuff was a huge thing. Like it takes one entire day to apply for that for HRC. And for Quinbay, it was not that much. It was just basic form, Google form.
Okay.
Just fill up a Google form and you're good to go. And I guess they had some. They obviously have some CGPA criteria. So yeah, most of them are 8.5 up CGPA.
Okay.
So that's
And
it.
what did they ask in the interview process?
Okay, so in HRC, there was just one coding round where you had to, code 2 or 3, I don't remember, 2 or 3 maybe coding questions. Pretty easy.
Okay.
In Quinbay, first was technical round of few MCQs. Then there were 2 rounds of interviews. First was basic one. They ask you about your projects, what you did and why you did, how is it suitable for the business world. Then they ask you to code. Our recruitment happened online, so we had to code online only. So coding happened. Coding mein they usually ask you data structures coding. Then yeah. So this was first round. In second round, it was basically project based. Then they ask you if they give you a scenario, like if we give you this business problem, what can your solution be? So it was like that.
So kind of a hackathon, I guess. The same setting as a hackathon.
Yeah, kind of.
Not really competition, but
Not really competition. Yeah, but
coming up
online,
with a solution.
one-on-one.
Okay.
You don't have to code.
It's like a very practical kind of interview, not
Yes.
like the ones
Yes.
like the coding round and all. Okay.
Yep. So that was it for Quinby. Of course, HR round was there.
Mhm.
Okay.
HR they don't ask you much. They ask you about your interest and why do you want to join company. Nothing else.
Yeah, just like I guess a cultural fit interview.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, so like the most awaited question is like recently you got an offer of like 14 LPA from Texas Instruments and for an IT role. And would you like to tell that entire story, like how that went down from like the preparation to the initial screening tests all the way to the final interviews?
Okay, so yeah, so you might be aware of the policy KIT follows, right? Like you can't sit for a company if you have a job and unless they're offering 40% more.
Okay.
So after Quinbay happened, I wasn't getting shortlisted in any company. And I was very sad about it. And one day I was eating and randomly checked my phone and there was a message, you've been shortlisted for Texas Instruments and you have an exam today at 5 p.m. I was like, finally, it's happening. Then the first round happened. Okay, yeah, and yeah. So I went to the shortlisted list, and everyone was like 9 CGPA above. So it was a lot of pressure under me. कि, सब लोग एकदम टॉपर लोग हैं. How will I succumb to it? Then about 50 people were shortlisted. Then we had the first round of technical MCQs. Then like a lot of friends of mine also were there, and we were all planning कि हाँ अच्छा गया है exam, we'll go to Texas together, we'll have fun and all. And then result आ गया. And then I got selected and they didn't. That is
That
a very
hurts.
sad
Ouch.
thing.
That hurts. That
Yeah.
hurts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, in like इसमें बहुत सारे friendships छूटते हैं, so don't take placements to your heart. So yeah. So then second round में approximately 10 of us were there, and we were told कि okay, you have 1 hour, you have to develop this application. It was a pretty good application. Login, sign up करना था, and then it goes to where you upload and download stuff. So
Oh.
for 1 hour, it was a great big thing. So that happened in 1 hour, and like nobody actually knew how to do it. Like you know how we are basically coding guys. We were not even taught about this much.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
so somehow we all managed to do it. Then 1 hour later, interviews happened. Like you sit, and then there are 3 4 people in the panel. They ask you, they keep on asking you one doesn't finish the question and the second happens, and then you can actually feel the heat. Why did you use this? Why did you not use this? One person there might like React, the other person might like Angular. So they start quarreling that why did you use this and not that. So a lot of that thing happened. Then that was it. Then the results came the same day. Only one person was selected, and that was not me.
Okay.
No,
Wow.
that
Okay, I
is
did
not
not
me.
get that. Okay.
Okay. That's a.
Yeah. So I had
Like,
completely lost hope. I actually cried little bit for that कि क्यों नहीं हुआ. And then I forgot about it. Like ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. I am happy with Quinbe. I actually said that to myself कि okay ठीक है Quinbe है. Then after approximately 1 month, Prachit Bhuya sir calls me and says, "Hey, you are selected for Texas Instruments in final round interview." That girl didn't get selected. I was like, "Oh my
oh.
god, what is this?" मुझे लगा prank call हो रहा है. Then I was like, "Okay, नहीं ठीक है." Why will Bhuya sir prank call me?
Yeah.
So then final round happened. They grilled a lot in the final round. So yeah, then HR round happened, and then I was good to go. So that was how TI happened.
Okay. Wow. Lots of questions. Starting with first when you said like the shortlist process was going on and you didn't get selected for a lot of stuff, I want to know if is that mystery cracked or is still a mystery, like how TNP like shortlists.
Which the first round?
No,
Yeah, like
just
the
like
very
the
first.
initial.
Yeah,
Yes,
the
the very
very
first.
first initial screening. Like,
So they've shortlisted all the applications who had 9+ CGPA.
oh,
So
okay.
that was the only criteria.
Mhm.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
like Didi, I wanted to ask about what did you use to build that prototype? You said login, upload and download. That's like a very, I
Yeah.
guess, complete full stack app. So like, what kind of tech did you use?
Okay, so at that time, I didn't have database connectivity and it was too time taking to install everything. So
Hmm.
for database, I used simply pandas. That was छोटा सा
Okay.
app बनाना था. So I
Okay.
used pandas to store some small database there. So that was it. And I used Flask, Python.
Oh,
Okay. Wow.
and like,
Okay, that is, yeah.
yeah. So
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 that
just
was
Flask,
quick.
and I guess in the front end, did you use just HTML or did you use something like React?
Yeah.
No, I used this Angular.
Oh, okay.
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 Angular. Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Nice.
So
nice.
I was
So
at that time I was in Queen Bay, right? So I was familiar
yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
Angular more.
Yeah. I was about to follow up with that. Like all these skills you kind of gained in your internships, and they kind of
Yeah, that
gave
is
you an upper
actually very
hand. So
important.
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Any other question?
Yes.
Yeah. I thought Priyanshi was about to ask something.
No, sorry. Did I look like it? Okay.
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 So now like you're in Texas Instruments. So I just want to know like what is your day to day like there? So a lot of people think that okay, job offer mil gaya, then it's like an end of story. But we know like it's
It's
the
a
beginning
lot
of
of
another
struggle.
chapter. So like I just want to know like what
Yeah,
do you do on a day to day basis? What tech do you work with? What kind of projects do you do? If you like can share that with us.
sure. Okay, so like TI environment is really awesome. Like
Mhm.
I have worked in 3 companies so far. So TI is actually the best to work with. Like people here are really friendly, but they don't compromise on the work, right? However nice they can be, they will treat you very nicely. But at the end of the day, काम चाहिए उनको पूरा अच्छे से.
Mhm.
So I am working on developing a dashboard for their inventory management system, ERP. You might have heard it.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Yes.
I developed applications using React and Spring Boot.
Okay. So like it's
So,
a
and
Java based backend. Okay. Yeah, continue.
yeah,
Please
it is
continue.
Java.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's basically full stack
Mhm.
development,
That's
and
nice.
working is not just coding stuff and building applications. It's a lot more. You have to attend daily scrums, like
Mhm.
daily meetings. Then you have to mail a lot. अच्छे इंग्लिश में you have अच्छी इंग्लिश होनी चाहिए उसके लिए. Regards for retards नहीं लिख सकते हम. I have seen people writing that. Then, then you have to make a lot of PPT. So, a lot of creativity is required for that. So, all over होना अच्छा है. It's like good. So,
Yep.
that's what I do the entire day.
Yeah.
Meetings, code, and make PPTs.
Okay.
Nice. Okay.
That's like a pretty normal thing for like someone working at a big corp as an IT person.
Yep.
Yeah, just PPTs, code, and then like documentation and all that.
It looks pretty normal, but it is not. One bug and you're gone. Your night sleep is gone.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. So,
So
Have you
like,
guys actually slept on a bug?
yeah, a few
yeah,
times. Yeah,
many.
it works. It
Yeah.
works a lot.
Yeah, it really works.
So sometimes I'll just be like, fuck it, I'm just going to sleep. मैं कल देखूंगा सुबह. And by the time like I start working in the morning, there is at least one idea I could like pursue to fix that bug, and that usually works. Sometimes it doesn't. Then there are ways, you know the
It
experience.
hits sometimes like in the middle of sleeping. I was just sleeping and wait, I
Yeah.
solved that problem.
Yeah.
Half
Sometimes
of the
like
problem
taking a
is
walk
solved by
also
Stack
helps.
Overflow.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Stack Overflow, Priyanshi.
yeah.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
like, I had a question. Like, if you like had to do it all over again, like starting, you could start differently. Like, would you, how would you proceed, and like, what advice would you like give to your juniors?
Okay. I would, make more projects. Like I would do a lot of projects. Like it's like honest projects, not like Google copy pasting. Like you have to make
Yeah,
your own project, be it small or big. Just make projects. Like when you go for an interview, right? You should always have a lot to talk about. Never, leave the interviewer thinking कि okay इसने बहुत कम project किया है, इससे क्या ही पूछेंगे. Just talk a lot with the interviewer about your project and how is it useful to them. ऐसा नहीं कि project बना दिया उस पे. Have you guys work on ML, right? So
Mhm.
you must have seen the Titanic problem.
yeah.
Yes.
The toy data
Yes.
sets, like.
Yeah.
Kaggle data.
तो सीखने
Yes.
फायदा. It's good for learning though, but project में you can't show कि हाँ मैंने इस पे काम किया है.
True.
You have to make some real world problem का project.
Yeah.
So one suggestion is that कि हाँ you should to make good projects. Then primary role तो है ही कि you have to code, you have to do good coding. So अब interview तक जाने के लिए you have to clear the first round, right, of coding. So you can't
Agreed.
surpass that. So there are a lot of channels and mediums to practice that. But my favorite was HackerRank and LeetCode somehow.
Mhm.
But it depends on person to person.
Yeah.
बहुत crucial years है ये 4 years. So spending more time on LinkedIn than Instagram is better.
Yeah.
Of
Agreed.
course.
So these are the
Okay.
advice.
So, Didi, to like sum it all up, if there is one key point, like there is just one advice you would like to give to your juniors, what would that be?
You want like this
Okay.
thing. This is the thing that you want them to pick away from this video.
Yeah. So, like, just
What
ये
would
करना
that be?
ध्यान से.
I would say
सब.
कि if you're thinking कि बहुत time है, बहुत time नहीं होता, there's never enough time. There are a lot of stuff to learn because when a company comes, they come with a requirement document that this thing they want from the student, being a fresher only, and they write जावा चाहिए, पाइथन चाहिए, जैंगो चाहिए, फुल स्टैक चाहिए, रिएक्ट चाहिए, सब कुछ चाहिए उनको.
We'll
उनको
rap
खुद भी
to
नहीं
it
आता है तो
like.
फिर भी चाहिए.
Yeah.
एक्चुअली सब कुछ रैप
Yeah, like
साउंड
we are.
करता है मुझे.
Mm-hmm.
हाँ तो सब कुछ चाहिए उनको. एंड यू जस्ट हैव लाइक 3 years, राइट? 4th year में तो चालू हो जाता है प्लेसमेंट.
Mm-hmm.
तो या बहुत कम टाइम है, बहुत टाइम नहीं है सीखने के लिए. So, right, utilize your time, be productive, and you'll be good to go. बस 3 years मेहनत कर लो, and then ऐश ही ऐश है, जो सुनने को आता है हमें बचपन से.
Yeah, the
That's what
classic
they said
advice.
after JE, but it
Yeah.
wasn't.
Yeah.
But this is
This is.
Yeah.
job में जाने के
That's
बाद
all.
सच में ऐश ही ऐश है. जब ना
Yeah.
you get that month end पे salary जब credit होती है ना, all the things feel worth it.
Yeah.
All the scrum meetings, all the PPTs, all those
Yeah.
bugs.
Everything is worth it suddenly.
पसीने की मेहनत.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So I guess we should move to some audience questions. We did some polls online about what people wanted to ask you from our college, mostly first year and second year students. So Priyansi, you should go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, so I just wanted to ask, like, how has COVID-19 like affected like placements, this placements thing? How has COVID-19 affected that?
COVID has affected positively, I think. Everyone is
Sorry,
getting placed
at
somehow.
KIT, like, yes, not in industry, at KIT, like how it has affected that.
Yeah, apart from the offline online exam thing, I think nothing is affected. They are getting better at it actually. Like
Okay.
they are more convenient in doing all conducting everything online. And I guess it didn't affect much for like we had a very good placement this year.
Okay.
By now, almost 90% people are placed, which is a good thing.
Nice.
Yeah, they all have multiple placements. So they
Okay.
COVID-19 कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ा उसने. Kitka.
Yes. Made it easier,
Yeah.
made it more accessible with the online.
Actually, I our job, like as a software developer, it is very like it's very easy to convert it into a remote job. So I guess it does not affect our
Yeah,
industry that
actually.
much. It's like we can always work from home, work remote, and so I guess
Yeah.
for us it has been mostly positive because now we can also apply for overseas jobs if they are considering a
Yes.
remote
Right.
area.
Yes.
But I
Okay,
really
so
wish Kit bought overseas job for us. They don't.
Okay,
maybe in the future. Maybe in the
maybe
future.
yeah, maybe by the time we graduate, maybe
Yes, fingers
Haha,
crossed.
lucky you.
yeah, yeah.
Next year, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
No,
yeah.
next to next.
Next to
Next
next
year
year.
you'd sit
We are in second year
for
currently, so
Yes.
next year you'd sit for
uh,
placements.
yeah.
Yes. Okay. Okay then. Next year. Okay. So one more is like if there was one thing that you could change about like the placement process in the industry, what would that be?
In the industry. Okay, their expectations from a fresher, of course.
Yes.
That rap thing, oh god, they
Yeah,
shouldn't
like
shouldn't
yeah.
even do. They should, actually look for basically like things we actually study in college, basic coding. Then they can, teach according to. They can train according to whatever their requirement is. But they end up asking this. So many things they ask, and then what happens in the end when interview happens? um, and you have to face the interviewer, you prepare for the same. Like suppose I don't know .NET, and I have applied and I have been selected for that .NET role, so I have to prepare for .NET like in 2 days. And how will that be? Like my interest is in full stack development, and here I am learning .NET for a job.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, they have you know over expectations from us, from freshers. How can a fresher know so many stuff?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I would like to change that.
I like the part like when they exactly mention what they are expecting, like what they will doing in the company, like what you will be doing in the company. Like so you're
Mhm.
sure, okay, I can do this, I can like fill out the application. But they mention a huge list, like I just don't get it. Yeah.
Yeah.
They just want an expert somehow.
An expert, they want a senior developer at the price of an intern. Like how would you get that? Okay.
Most of them exploit us, I'm telling you.
Yeah. Agreed. But again, okay,
Yeah.
I think that was
So
like the end of the questions, right? That
from the audience, yeah. Didi answer. I was just going through that list. Didi answered most of them about like a lot of people are asking like are projects really that important, and we kind of covered that. Also about this comparison about GPA and projects. So we talked a lot about projects. So yeah, I guess the audience questions are done. Anything else, Didi, you want to
Okay.
add for the juniors who like actually did not even get a chance to come to campus and be a part of what we do and all?
Okay, so you guys will hear a lot about DSA everywhere. And don't
Mm-hmm.
follow DSA a lot. Keep it for for building your capacity to think, nothing more. डरने का नहीं है डीएसए से, अच्छा ही है वो.
Yeah, of course.
So
So
yeah.
I guess that is the end of
neat,
this
good,
episode.
cute.
Thank you so much, Didi. We will
Thank
be
you.
linking Didi's social accounts and everything. You can reach out to her in the descriptions of wherever you are watching it, Spotify, YouTube, or any other podcasting platform. You can follow DSC Kit on all its social handles to stay updated with the new episode we'll be releasing. You please subscribe to the DSC Kit's YouTube channel. I guess that's it then. Please share it with your friends if you think this was a meaningful conversation. Thank you so much for hearing. Bye bye.